don't even care. We have a big one.
Oh my goodness, bro. Yes. Look at that monster, bro. Look at that thing, Ash. That's like the biggest one we've caught yet. Look at it, dude. Hey, that's a nice one, isn't it, bro? Remember, you gotta pull it out like
that?
Yeah, wherever it's hooked at, you gotta pull it out like. Look, you don't.
You do it.
Huh?
Can you do it?
Yeah. Good job, though. Yeah, hold it up. You gotta kiss it.
Huh?
You gotta kiss it.
Yeah, you have to kiss it.
No, I don't want to kiss it.